Hello YouTube, Chachi back with another great video, and today's video is about how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. Tap review to sign in, then review your account informations. So when you have a new Apple ID on your iPhone, it will ask you these informations to fulfill, which related with payment, shipping, country, and other information related with your new Apple ID. So when you fulfill all these informations, you can download from the App Store on your iPhone. So on this video, we are going to use two methods to fulfill this reviewing step. So stay tuned until the end of the video. Okay, let's start from solution number one. So solution number one will be open the App Store and click on the application that you want to download. For example, in my case, I'm going to download TikTok. So I click on Gate. So it will ask me my Apple ID and password. So I'm going to insert all those information, and for the privacy, I'm going to hide all those informations. After I insert the password, it will display this information, which is review your account. So this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. So review. So I'm going to click review. So after I click review, it will start loading and it will show you. So here I have two options, which is selecting the country and also agree the terms and conditions of the App Store. So first let me select the country and I will proceed to agree the terms and the conditions of the App Store. To insert your country, so click on the country that you live. In my case, I'm going to select United States. In your case, you may be different place. So select the country that you live and toggle or agree to the terms and conditions of the App Store. After that, click next and it will load and it will lead you to complete your Apple ID information, your first name, last name, street information, city, zip code, phone number, and other information. So complete all these informations. So it's personal information, so I'm going to hide all the information, but in your case, insert the street that you live, the city, your phone number, and other informations, and click next after you insert all those informations. So after you insert all those information, it will say Apple ID completed. So select continue. Now you can download any application that you want because all the necessary informations are fulfilled under your Apple ID and you agreed with the terms and conditions of the App Store, and payment and shipping informations are fulfilled. Okay, if this method is not working for you, you can use another method by clicking on the setting on your iPhone. Then click on your Apple ID information. So after you click on the Apple ID information, click on payment and shipping. And as you can see in my case, it's none. So here it's showing you informations that are related with payment. So fulfill all this information and now you can download any application from the App Store. So now let's download another application. So here Telegram. So I'm going to download the Telegram application and it's downloading, as you can see here. So this is all about for today's video on how we can review the Apple ID and also get a full access to download from the App Store. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and give me comments on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Chachi out.